Alright, we all want good food and nobody wants to work too hard to get it. So I'm going to show you all how to make a lightning quick homemade tomato sauce that is delicious and almost no effort. Alright? Let's cook, y'all. We got a family to feed. Alright, let's make our lightning fast tomato sauce. Alright, so I have a few things over here and I've actually got my food processor set up. I want these vegetables as small as possible. Makes it a little faster to cook, but it also gives me a smoother texture for the finished product, which is what I'm after. Ricky has asked for tomato sauce. He has a busy week coming up and he doesn't really have time to cook all that much this week. So I'm going to give him a hand and make him some marinara. Alright, so, oh, I forgot to tell you what I had. I had 4 or 5 cloves of garlic, big ones. I had 1 great big white onion, and I had about 3 stalks of celery, including the leaves. And I'm just going to put this in here and do that until I've got pieces as small as I can get them. Alright? It's going to be a minute. I'll be back. Alright, here we go. Pop. Alright, over here on the stove, and I'll show you this in a minute, I've got about 1/4 cup of olive oil. Woo, this smells good, but man, those onions are burning my eyes. I've got about 1/4 cup of olive oil that I have heating. There we go. Alright, so we went pretty pasty. See? Alright, let's move over here to the stove. There we go, there's our olive oil. Not terribly hot, and I'm just adding this schmudge, our vegetable paste, right into the pot. I knew that was going to happen. Alright, I'll deal with that just a second. Alright, so all we're doing right here... Oh, okay. All we're doing right here is sauteing this stuff just to get the flavors going. So we're only going to give it about 5 minutes. We're going to keep it, you know, medium heat, and we're going to keep stirring. I'll show you what that looks like when there's something more interesting to see.
Action.
Our veggies have had about 5 minutes. The fragrance is amazing. It's kind of funny, Bladen wandered in and goes, "What's in here? Why does it look so strange?" Because I said so. Alright, so about 2 teaspoons of kosher salt to that. It does look a little odd right now, but I want the finished texture of our sauce to be smoother. I don't want it chunky, really. About a tablespoon of oregano. We're going to give it 2 bay leaves. We're going to give it a teaspoon crushed red pepper flakes. And this is the part everybody freaks out about. This stuff, you will not taste this in the finished product, but you will notice the difference if you use it. I have anchovy paste, right? You're only going to use a little bit, a couple teaspoons. That will just melt and you'll never notice anything anchovy-ish, I promise. Alright, so give that a stir and then we're going to add our canned tomato sauce. I have 6 cans of just plain sauce. We're going to use this on several different things this week. And I think Ricky is intending to make chicken parmesan. I have some spaghetti squash I'm going to roast. So I really want to keep this versatile. And I'm also keeping the seasonings pretty light. I want to be able to re-season as I'm using the sauce later in the week. Okay, this is almost all we're doing. I mean, seriously, this is almost all we're doing. I'm going to bring this up to a simmer. I'm going to keep it at a bare simmer for about half an hour, just long enough to wake everything up, get all the flavors to come together. There we go. And that's all there is to it, guys. Alright. I'll be back and show you what it looks like at the next step.
Cut.
Alright, half hour on the stovetop. I love the texture. This is exactly what I was looking for. That's perfect. Yep. See how we did, guys. Alright, so you can use this on pasta. You can use it on, what did I say a minute ago? Lasagna? Mmm. Oh, wow, that tastes good. Mmm. Or you could just eat it out of a soup bowl. Holy cow. That's the tomato sauce right there. Hey YouTube, thanks for watching. And if you thought that video was helpful, do me a huge favor. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit the little bell so you get a notification whenever I post a new video. And if you have a second, hop on over to Patreon and check out how to support my channel even more. Again, thanks for watching.